thing that makes this job exciting is we manufacture parts for cooling centers, high pressure hydraulics, and other cool things.
Automation helps us keep up with the demand as the technology and industry changes.
We are constantly upgrading our machines to stay ahead of technology.
These machines are top of the line, and the workplace reflects that. Specialty manufacturing takes pride in their workplace and is controlled and clean.
Yeah, it stays cool in the summer, stays warm in the winter.
Independent problem solving is encouraged here at the Specialty Manufacturing Company.
Have the freedom to experiment with new processes to drive efficiency.
My job as a setup technician is to help operators work more efficiently, and technology is a big part of that.
I enjoy working here because the people are great to work with. Management is great. It's a clean environment, and we have cutting-edge technology.